So welcome back to Southern Stem Cell Institute. Tell us your name and how you heard about us.
Eddie Slaughter, we seen you in the newspaper in a Columbus, Georgia ad, and went and seen you. And come back in a week and got the stem cell done.
Yeah, well, how were you feeling before you came to see us? What kind of problems were you having?
Well, my whole body was hurting. Couldn't even sit still in your, listening to you down there. I was moving around and everything, and I'm 100% better.
You're feeling better already?
Yes.
Wow, and how long ago was your treatment now?
A month and 1 day.
1 month and 1 day,
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When did you start feeling better? How long after
Well,
the treatment?
Actually, 30 minutes after I had it done, my left toe was throbbing so bad I couldn't sleep for a couple of days. It quit hurting before we got to the parking garage.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, that's amazing. And you've got diabetes.
Yes.
And you've got what other kind of health issues?
Well, just high cholesterol, and that's basically it, except, bad disc and herniated discs and stuff like that.
Yeah, and it's in your neck and your back, or just the back?
Yeah, my whole back.
Your whole
neck,
back?
Yes, neck.
Yeah, and so before, when your back was hurting you so bad, were you able to do much? You weren't able to get out and work or do
No,
anything?
I stayed on the couch with a heating pad on.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so now you're not doing that anymore?
Nope.
Fantastic. How's your walking now? I don't remember you said you had trouble sitting still at the seminar
Yeah.
because you were hurting so much.
Right.
Now,
Well,
you had any problems walking or getting up and sitting down or?
No, everything's good. I mean, if I do a lot of bending right now, it still gets me a little bit, but walking, matter of fact, I ain't got the four-wheeler fixed. I have to walk to my son's house and stuff, so I'm getting exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Well, I done had all my nerves burnt, had the nerve burnt with injections in the back about every 3 months, all year round for over 10 years. And like I said, I got to where I couldn't do none of my work, like just down and depressed.
How long were you hurting for?
About 14 years? About
Wow.
14 years.
14
And I dealt with it for a long time. And then, like I said, my back got to where pain pills didn't help. I mean, they just stronger medicine, do this, do that to my back. It didn't help. And like I said, 2 days after I had the injection, I was out working like a teenager just about again.
And you're not taking any pain pills now?
I haven't even desired, and I took the strongest 2 there were.
Wow.
6 a day.
Okay.
So
That's amazing. That's
took it, when I overdid it a couple of days' work, take some Tylenol, which I was thinking that was a joke, because taking all this other stuff, but now it's working out good. Taking all the supplements and everything, working perfect.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And your sugars are gotten better too, you said?
Yeah, diabetes are perfect. Like I say, I can eat chocolate again. As a matter of fact, if I don't eat chocolate, my sugar goes up.
So what like before you came to see us, what were your sugars like and what are they like now?
Well, my medicine, 2 pills I had to take daily. I take them maybe 1 of them every other day and alternate them because my sugar runs just about perfect. So cholesterol levels are perfect. So
Wow.
yeah,
That's fantastic.